good morning everyone. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Dian Ditya, you can call me Dia. I am from Sugia Pranoto Catholic University Semarang, majoring in Communication Science. Do you often hear people make speeches? I think you must have heard people make speeches many times. If you are asked to give a speech, do you understand how to give a good and proper speech? In this presentation, I will focus on providing 4 ways to give a good and correct speech. The first, you have to understand the material. The second, you have to read it calmly. The third, use the right expression to grab the listener attention. And the last one, don't forget to greet the audience. Here I will tell you some ways to make speech properly. 1. Understand the material you are going to convey. The way so that you can understand the material that you will bring when giving a speech is to know in advance what the theme will be conveyed. If the method of speech that you want to bring is a reading and memorizing technique, then you must practice in front of the mirror regularly to produce maximum result. 2. Read the speech quickly. When reading a speech in front of the audience, not a few people feel nervous. This is what will make your speech less good. Therefore, do not show your nervous to the listener. Read in a calm and controlled manner so that everything goes smoothly, so that the listener can understand what you are saying. 3. Use the right expression. Expression that describe a speech can catch the attention of the listener. It is different if the expression issued by the speech reader does not describe the material he conveys. It will actually make the audience feel bored because your speech is not interesting. 4. Greet the audience. Before starting a speech on the subject, it is a good idea to greet the audience first with a friendly greeting. Like for example, saying good morning or greetings and so on. Greeting this audience is important to grab attention from the start. So I think that when we are going to make a speech, we all have to understand the material that will be delivered. These are some ways to be able to give a good and correct speech. So I think that when we are going to make a speech, we all have to understand the material that will be delivered. These are some ways to be able to give a good and correct speech. That's all I can say. If you have any question, you can raise your hand or read in the chat column. Thank you.